In just a few minutes, you'll know exactly what to look for when choosing a Boretti Kamado barbecue. My name is Jimmy, and in this video, I'll walk you through the properties that really make a difference when you're out grilling in your backyard. This way, you'll quickly see what suits you best. The cooking surface is, simply put, the space where your food sits, and it determines how many people you can cook for at the same time. The larger the surface, the more dishes you can fit side by side, and the easier it is to grill for a whole group. With a large cooking surface, you can barbecue for up to 8 people. Useful if the neighborhood barbecue ends up in your backyard, or if you want to prepare several courses at the same time. Do you usually cook with a smaller group? Then choose a smaller cooking surface, because the larger the barbecue, the longer it takes to heat up, and the smaller it is, the faster you'll be ready. Side tables act as useful little worktops on your barbecue, saving you hassle while cooking. With these worktops, you can prepare side dishes right next to your barbecue and easily set down your marinades and spatulas so everything stays within reach. If you skip the worktops, you'll end up preparing your side dishes at the table or in the kitchen, which means you'll be walking back and forth a bit more often. Besides practical cooking, you also want everything to look good. The color of your Boretti Kamado largely determines the look, helping it match better with the rest of your garden furniture or accessories. By matching the color to what you already have, your outdoor space becomes one cohesive whole, and your barbecue looks not just functional, but stylish too. Now you know what to look out for and how to choose between the different models more quickly. From how many people you want to serve to working with side tables, I hope this video has helped you figure out which Boretti Kamado barbecue suits you best. Enjoy your meal.